Hey guys, the name is Mo, and I'm a professional photographer and videographer. So yeah, I got this product from a friend of mine, which is called Masuger. To turn it on, press the button on the side. You can see the screen add up, with the numbers indicating how much pressure is going to reach your muscles. On the back there is a touch screen, very sensitive touch screen. Once you press it, it's either going to pick from the previous time you use it or start over. As you see, there is also a rotatable setting. There is also an adjustable designed for amplitude. I must say I never seen a massage gun deal with this, so it's a thing that fascinated me. Find the length number, the amplitude between 5 and 15 millimeters, just according to the different part of your body. Just get deep into your muscle tissues. What is more, I kinda like the design on the back. I can recognize the massage head with memory mode, which means I can remember the speed key and the last time you used the head. Different attachments that you can throw there. You can pop them off and you can put different ones on. I got this product from a friend of mine, which is called Masuger. The design is very attractive. At first hand, you already can feel the touch of professionalism from this side. It's a very intuitive product. Design is nice, quite simple to use. So, it's quite challenging to use a facial gun as a first-time user. And trust me, I've been through a lot of trials trying to find the proper one in my case. I did really appreciate the fact that it can hold a longer battery, as I'm all time at work. I can always take a break using it. The design, which is very handy, very firm, gauge of good quality, so there's not much I can say. This was Mo, and I'm out.